The meeting is being live streamed. Okay.
Sa on ko.
Mm-mm.
Amen. All the best.
Thank you.
Mm-mm. Okay. Right. And then I'll do the sharing of the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right. Yes. Oh, good one. Salurai. Bola binaka. Vikem din na vyokan di varong ti kumay. Na kena pa sa baka Korea, anyo asayo, yan bakambula. Vikem ni Kersar. Maraw ni sa maraminggo o June, ni sarili ko tingko ben na screen. Marutak na sila no mikro may vital no ni kuwa. Kerbi busut sar vikem ni nasawawan din detiko. May makawa pa matatakas ko na live o sa gilis kami kundo na nito field trip katungan din na National Archives of Korea na branch ni Busan, Korea City, Lewe, Korea. Utia kito sanggay ngole na National Contemporary Museum. Katulis sarang amikinan ko. Sa kay krumi siya mong pati kay June. Kaya rin mo sa titsungaya ni nanong camera, ni nung laptop pa kay tubi matitiko. Kaya rin mo sa titsungaya ni Lewe Kimuni. Ya, kambimbingan ni sasya mo ko na tabulain. Ko ngango ko na muni no ta Minnesota, meta me rongo ta nanto mona, ta rongo ta talingan na no ni Talanoa kinabika na bila kata me may wasea weekend ni kwa. June bakong bula mata may bira na biyakan.
Bulabinak, Dr. T. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Marota ka ni Ronnie Dormisiam ni kuha kat sartuk nan raking go Korea June.
Oh, we're not. I'm well on this end. Okay, cloudy Chico Santa Rosa. I'm gonna go to California. Yeah. Otherwise, I'm on my 10 days off. I'll say out my Tuesday. I'm going back to work tomorrow. Yeah, that'll be 9 days. So it was a good break, and we farewell one of our dear friend last week, Patricia Khan. It was nice to see everyone, and I'm back at home doing my thing, run my errands, and looking forward to go back to work tomorrow. But I'm excited to be here today to share some stories about delightful laundry and the farm and other little things. Mhm.
Sabi na kami nakavalim sa June isa o petisya kane o reta
Yes.
nga na kanito kutukan na mo na liba-liba o baka samtaksar na ni Robbie Talno kay Koy
Mhm.
nangono ang bitatak chicken na kinon rombuini nga
Mhm.
rompek na non na marami tila ng beka
Mm.
um, rombuini nga rondrua.
Yes, I think
Rondrua.
so.
Yeah, so we were
Mhm.
talking about it and we were talking about viwakan ni Bano Levo, Idikombia, Madwata.
Right.
Bulsar tukan wir kita na kay Patricia. Kaya ni
Mhm.
ko talaga wulo ti may sawan ni June eh.
Yes, that's right. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Isa, wabi ni binaka June no mo sema ti chukuna viwakan ni kina no mo wiko iti kichuko bira na nonta.
Yeah. Um, I'm not sure if you saw that about the ad that status that I put that I need help for someone to send my stuff to Fiji. Remember?
Aureda.
Oh my God! I was talking to my friend, and she said, "Darling, do you know anybody coming to Fiji on Sunday?" I said, "No, not that I know of, but don't worry. Let me put it on Facebook." Within a few minutes or seconds, so I messaged my another friend that he's flying and he's willing to help us, just like that.
Isa.
Mm.
Aureda nindo ya va nanomalista chiko ko ndo ngono yukabuki ko kina.
Yes, a lot of people, but there was a pilot. They came to Seattle, a pilot na Fiji Airways. Most of them they come to Seattle, Boeing. They made training, few weeks, I
Right.
think, Yeah, so 21 years ago, that time, there was some of them who came under care of Tima and Luker Nabula. So yun, the bakasyon na lubayan raw. And then sometimes they come home, or the may basing ilewaka, we can do grog. So I totally forgot them. It's 21 years. And then he remembered and he saw that post and he said he's willing to help. And then
Ah,
I couldn't recall, but I remember some of them came, but I couldn't remember those two. And after he explained, so that was a surprise and very nice to know that people never forget you when you do good things to them.
di natuto di na sarangay nakabinakandakava erna sirani mula tapa eh.
Yeah,
Mm.
and the power of Facebook, what it can do, eh?
Wow, totoo ka sarangay ko sa mata na
Yeah.
biyo ka ni ko to may weekend na kanda bangara eh di
Yes.
ko kerbi buke ala ko may nabibuke.
They would care, right? Just like that, like we don't know who. Even on Sunday, when I took the stuff, there were still people messaging that were willing to help for almost every day until Sunday when I went and took the stuff and I posted up. Then they saw it and they stopped. Now people offering to help. Even the people I don't know, they offered.
Wow, man, right there eh. Kung ni boss yan dandor kilabinak na one good turn deserves another eh.
Yes, that's true. And the people we don't even know that they message, yeah. So that was nice. Even a gentleman from Hawaii, he messaged as well. And it's amazing what Facebook can do, yeah, you know. Some
Yeah.
people always say, oh, Facebook is bad, it's not good, you know, a lot of dramas. It's how you use it, you know. Yeah. And I like Facebook, you know, I reconnect with friends and family and people I never connect with. And, you know, when we came from Fiji, 20, for me especially 26 years ago, don't connect home, we have to call our family and friends. We have to buy a phone card all the time. Okay, so live on a phone card. Okay, can say, what's the cut off? Okay, dot on a phone card. Dot. So now Messenger is free. You call anytime, anywhere in the world, which is nice, you know? Yeah,
Yan na
so
sarangay.
that's the advantage of all the social media. It's how you use it. It can be very good, but it can be very bad the way you choose to be. Yeah? But for me, I'm happy. I like it and it's free. So that's good advantage.
Yan na sarangay eh. Dito katukuna. If we can use it responsibly and
Mm-mm.
we use it for the right purpose, it should do the work for you.
Yes, that's right. Even if I get mad, the whole world knows to and go on Facebook.
Sabi na nga ko sa control mo lili na dunro eh.
Yes,
Yeah.
at control, we're too blessed to be stressed, but you know, as human,
Mm.
we still stress sometimes, you know. So we're grateful
Yeah.
every day.
Sa totoo. Bilang kabalim sa June na no mo siya manikwa. Yeah, what would you like to update us? What's the latest with the Delightful Laundry?
Delightful laundry, very busy, especially now in Suva. It's rainy weather. Yeah. And Talanoa, the town. So laundry has been very busy and a lot of business, which is very good, a lot of helping people to work. And in Nandi, the tourists very busy, the pick and drop, pick and drop. So they're very grateful, all the tourists that we serve them, and they put good review on our on our laundry shop, and then it's so nice. Like it's like in here, everybody when they want to go to a restaurant or want to go to a hotel, anywhere, all they do is check review. If it's good review, then they go. If it's bad review, then they won't go. So that's what happened to my laundry now. The review that brought us a lot of a lot of customers and clients. So
Yes,
it's
June.
really nice. Now we started with Marina in Nandi. So all the yacht club is calling us too, so we do pick and drop with them as well. Because
Wow.
our double, back I said triple net so clientele goes up, yeah, which is very nice.
Yes, and how are the staff?
The staff are good, so I used to be struggle a little bit with my staff in Nandi. So I moved one of my staff in Suva to manage it. So everything is going well right now with the staff. So all is well, but last month I think we
Mm.
have a problem with our van. Somebody bumped us and we had an accident. So lucky that none of my staff got hurt.
Okay.
So right now it's in the hospital, the van.
Isa.
But
So, to na staff may rewanga?
staff in Rwanda is good. They're still there, but I shuffle them. So there's four people in one day, like one
Mm.
shift. There's two shifts in a day, 8 to 2, 2 to 8, Monday to Friday. And then one pair work on Saturday, one pair off on Saturday, day off, and one pair work on Sunday. The pair that work on Saturday off on Sunday. Vakarto 12 hours in the weekend and 1 day's off. So that
Kapag
way, yeah, that way they make their 42 hours. Yeah, like a normal hours in a week is 42 hours. So it's good. And after that, I shuffle them. I bring them to Kausa, and then 2 weeks in Kausa, then I take them back to Rewanga. Via. Mm.
nito the wirwire to marutaka?
Yes, they like it because Kausa is very busy compared to Rewanga.
Wow.
We don't, Rewanka is making enough to pay the bills and pay the customer, pay the workers and everything, but it's not as busy as Kalsa. But nisando overload the Kalsa, sagido ko sumbi ibing ko reward mertong dilibi buket to help the load there. So that's why I still keep that shop. But yeah,
Mm.
you learn along the way how to figure it out and how to work on it. Yeah. At the same time, you don't want to close because you want these people to work, to help them because most of them are the only breadwinner in the family. So you can't afford to lose was business. But so far, so good because it helped pay the rent and pay the bill, pay the workers, and make a little extra to keep it going and save some money for the next shop.
Isa, Sar. Nakabaliw. And speaking of the next shop, what's your plan for the next shop?
Well, the dream, the plan is to open one in Singatoka and one in Lotoka. So that one is in process as well. It's hard to find the right place because you have to make sure because in the Singatoka there's a lot of flooding too over there. So I have to make sure that shop is not flooding because, Lubumaya, all the machine will be wet and go bad.
Sar.
So I really have to take my time and pray for the right space and the right place and the right rent to make sure that it can help. But like I said, it's my first shop. I really learned a lot from there because, like I said, I don't have degree or master in business. I'm just learning along the way. So I learned a lot on my first shop, second shop, third shop. So, but another big news I want to share is that I might be starting my commercial laundry soon. So I'm very thankful. I've been dreaming on that since I opened my laundry. So now I'm almost there, and I'm very grateful for that because it's amazing how God works, in a mysterious way, the connection and everything. So, yeah, last year when I turned 50, I was planning to celebrate my birthday here in California. And then I planned, and that time was Trump was like there was a lot of people they arrested, and it was a shady kind of moment that time. And very last minute, I changed my mind to fly to Hawaii and celebrate my birthday there. And there was about 15 of us, and Lucy, my big sister in Hawaii, Mrs. Landy Long, said, "Darling, nobody is here with her husband. Can I bring them to the birthday too?" I said, "Sure." Yeah, that's when the CEO of FNPF came with her wife, Billy Fontenay-Vallo, and this side, that's where we met. And we've been good friends from that day till today. And they've been helping me a lot in Fiji, in my business and FERCA and FNPF. A lot of doors that's been closed. He helped me open that door for me. And I thought about it. If I didn't go to Hawaii, I wouldn't have met them, and those doors still closed till today. You know. So I'm very grateful for that. And you know how they say nowadays, it's whom you know.
Nasara.
Yeah, so they've been helpful. So this high purchase for my commercial machine, almost 100,000, and I have to try get a loan, and a lot of requirements that they want me to give, and some of them I don't have it, and I shared with a couple, and he called the CEO and everybody, and all that door open to me till today, and I don't have to pay deposit, I don't have to pay down payment, nothing, everything just come through just like that easily.
Oh, congratulations, June.
Yeah, so I'm really excited. So maybe tomorrow I'm back malak more to the Fiji gas to connect the Fiji gas because those machines, the dryers operated by the gas, not electrical. So maybe next week there's some rhythm on the machine, and I might start with few hotels and customers at commercial. So I'm really excited about that.
Totoo ka saranga pati ni chicken hotel at chicken talaga orato na malibula Grabe ka
Yes.
ba na baya, June?
Yang di level na I think for me this will be the first Fijian to do the commercial. Right now only the Ratunan to Wasu, but Kinlombak na kay Chai na may Nandi. Otherwise no Fijian. So I'm really excited about that. And there's a lot of hotels in Suva and Nandi. Martungo, Tangiara, Ren, I live in the customer they have. So I'm
Wow.
excited about it. So since Rewanga is not busy, so we're gonna start over there and do a commercial over there. So I might get another van in Suva to pick and drop. But I was telling my Miyama, we just pray. We do the first part, God will do the rest. Will get us client and everything. Mhm.
Oh, amen, amen. Because I was thinking of that. Sa ko naman daw ni Nandi, maybe you need
Mhm.
one in Suba.
Yes, I really need one in Suva once this one they start. And there's a car dealership in Suva. I used to do their hair in Fiji before I came, and we're still good friends. So when I tried to get the loan for that van in Nandi, no bank would help me because I'm over here, and a lot of things they want.
Yes.
It's very hard. So I called this man, this owner, and right away he helped me and he gave me the van. So I
Eh,
down payment was 6,000, and the payment was 1,000 something a month, and instead of pay thousand something, I paid 3,000. Within few months, I paid off that van.
Wow, kebal sa Tia sa freezer to nga.
Yes, the Vidranapulos I paid off, Kin. It was
Oh.
20,000, I think. Yeah.
Eh,
So he said, when you want another one, you let us know. So good the connection there, and I've been in the night to so So it's very nice because and when you pray, the door open for you at the right time. So I'm
nasarap.
very grateful for that. It's a big deal, but like I said, the connection, how God connect us with the right people and the good people.
Natuwa ko
So
Jun. Sigbagal ka
mhm. And for good intention, like my intention, to open this business to help a lot of people, especially Fijians, so they can get a job, And then natakalako sa very hard. Today, I was thinking of selling my property, the one in Asino.
Yes.
And then I was in process, and there was one lady who was interested. I had the valua. I asked Mommy Emma to go to Nasino Town Council, check the town rate, went to Housing Authority, and I have few arrears, about 100 something, not much, 100 something, 100 something. So it's all paid off. I get the title, so
Wow.
all clear, ready to sell. And the lady's last minute, she changed her mind. So I said, don't worry. And I said, sometimes if it's meant to be, it will be. If it's not meant to be, you have to stay positive that there's other option, you know? So I asked my mom to look for a place for me. So we found one place in Circular Road in North Beach Estate, 2 bedroom, and a nice place, gated and security grills. That was
Yeah.
last week.
Uh,
So we pay the bond 3,000 and pay the rent 1,300. And today we're moving the stuff over to set up the house. So I'm excited.
wow, totoo man. Congratulations, June. Man, sa
Yeah.
exciting din na 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 lingan ni Kalo na kaya ti ko sa para.
Yeah, in Kaloba to Tuba, and I have to lodge my paper for the immigration. So maybe if all come through within few months, I might travel home. So I'm praying.
Eh. Mela tu kun saranga me biu me na red carpet may nandi.
So I'm praying about that, and but I told my mom, just go clear the house, bring. I've sent those furnitures for years. I think before the COVID, oh, my set of couch, my set of 2 bedroom set, and dining room set, all there in that house there, and all my electrical appliances, and it's all there. So now we'll go and set up in that house. And then that way it can clear up my house in Kalambu, in the Sino, so they can do some renovation, some painting before I try to sell it again.
Ah. Totoo ka saranga and when you do the renovation and na improve the kasarna value.
A value, or I might just keep it and maybe sell, rent it or something. So, like I said, when
Yes.
that lady didn't buy it, she changed her mind. And I said, there may be another option there because the
Yes.
guy who works in the bank, HFC manager there who helps me with my account said, June, you can always keep your house, but Olanker is coming up now. They'll have one FNU there. They have Grace Gym there. So it's growing up. So people might be looking to rent and find a place around that area. Mhm.
Yan na todo ko. And you already have, that assets. Because
Yeah,
pagdating na naman sa tubo, sa tuyaw lang eh.
yeah, I'm going on. So I told my mom, it's okay. We should always be positive. Eh? If it's meant to be, it will be. Although I say, because, when I was small, we always every morning because I was raised Seventh-day Adventist, and we always pray every morning, 7 days. Oh, okay, ito santo fed up nga lang mataka. Ibaya kito doon si race every day, Monday to
Yeah.
Friday. Sample na nga bunyi race sabi ito yung bang ano. Nag-race ba karkara. Kaya laking giba niyo may ba lolos both days better.
Wala yan.
Lima nakalaki ito sando direct kimem kito sando loto every morning lang sere. Sankin do buno chono tando kono kwa the power of prayers. Kono kwa when you pray, there's always three answers from God. Yes, no, and wait. Ang iba ka surprise nito kono kwa na no and wait. How about I thought it says in the Bible when you pray, it'll be answered. When you knock, it'll be open, and when you ask, it should be given. But I never see any part was yes or no. I mean, no or wait. And then she said, yeah, sometimes we pray for something we want that is not good for us or not meant for us. And sometimes God wants to see whether it suits you or it shall be given to you, and you should just wait. And that's what I've learned my life. I never forget that. So when that lady was so excited to buy the property, I was I was happy, but at the same time, when I see it happen, that individual happened. And when she changed her mind, I was okay with it. But my auntie was very stressed and a little depressed. And I always tell her, we talked about this already. If it will happen, it will happen. If it's not, it's not. But at least, kailangan ng 2,000 rate na sino sa clear off taki, but the ground rent, housing authorities, now everything is cleared. But guess we wouldn't know. So maybe it was meant to be. Got the title, everything. So that's okay. Now I have plan B. We look for a place and move everything there. Set up all those furnitures. So That's what they did today. So I called my electrician and I said, I need help. Three guys to help me move stuff from there to there. So they came today or to taxi me Batuanga and the staff there paid for their taxi. Mami, I was getting ready. I said, luckily, well, may naman ray ng bata na sudo na timer to may ngunti. Nibiyan ray batang batachik. So they had bread and tea. They were so happy. And I have a camera. I can watch them and hear everything they say. Oh, my picture there. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's the boss. Why, number, you know how the Fijian ask you. Yeah, that's the boss. The boss in America. Yes, the boss in America.
Yes.
And after that, I called my mom. Mom, what time you'll be there? He said, look, I'm just getting ready, calling the landlord that will be coming. Okay, so I'll get something mertungunti while they waiting. Tapos tomorrow, sararotoli, well, may naman ray ng bata. And sudur to sa ngunti, sarartungunti yo chungayam. Malili salak mamia, marto salak sa rivale. So Sartoli Mamiema to ask me what I need to be moved, what furnitures and everything. So I told them and they moved. Now before we came on, Sarto Sarto and unbox the furniture, yeah, the living room set and the dining room set all wrapped from here. So they're doing it to set it up in that house in Lodala Beach. Mm.
Sa totoo kasarangan. Mene, tos juga na wula, tos juga libo na bibisawe.
That's cheap.
Totoo kan din na Jun.
That's why we always excited to share the story, what's going on my end, your end, you know.
Di na Sara. Di na
After
totoo.
the stuff, Kartoyala when we had that accident because we get very busy, the pick and drop in Nandi. So I said, don't worry, this is not the end of the world for us. Try get a rental car and then use the rental car till we get our van out. So we've been using rental car now. And, you know, I was saying, yeah, the power of Facebook. Or to na insurance, baka to baka itu chiko, they were playing up, try to dodge us, not to help us.
Right.
They give this excuse, they give this excuse, send the pictures, we send the pictures. Oh, do this, do this. After everything, the weird talent, but the talent. Oh, fed up now, you remember like you're to be in a Facebook. Wrote one status for them. The same day, Sarah, they call and they help us right away. Just imagine, 4 weeks, 1 month, they've been running around like that.
Gimana ako juga na rental ka, eh?
Ako cuma rental car, sa pakto na loria, wawatu. But like I said, sometimes when things going well, so na renter na sa tababaya, you know. But the punya lay, we keep going, and then yeah, that's what happened. That's not the first time when they don't treat me right like that. I just go on Facebook and expose them, and right away they help me right away, and they ask my staff, "Who is that lady who's posting about us?" And my staff said, "That's the boss."
Binagsara merang bulikin, si eh? Not to
That,
treat
that,
us like that.
that's the only way. That's the only way. Some people said it's not good, but they don't go through what we go through. But just imagine 1 month they're running around us like that, running around. Oh, this stuff. The customer service in Fiji is terrible. It's very bad. The customer service back home. And then, small business like us trying to grow, and treating us like that is not right. So, but that's how it is. You just have to go Facebook. But imagine I've been waiting for a month, and then when they don't do that, that's when I go to Facebook and I expose them that their service is very bad, and we really need that help because we insured under them.
Na. Ganito ba, rin so, June, gusto kami when they want to take us in the beginning, eh?
All the
Kla?
time, all the time.
Eh.
But this van, like I said, I left home 26 years ago. So, but before I left, I even have a car, and there was an insurance that I had. They were very good to me. But this insurance, when a car dealer, my friend, when I bought the
Eh.
car,
Mm,
before we drive out the car, we have to buy the insurance right away before we take the car out.
I
And that's what we
see.
did to make sure if something happened. Yeah.
Right.
But kito 1 year sarangan nito Benny ako gitong kaya. Mm-mm.
Sedotan memang nak kita nindo
No,
donde kita mai.
somebody bumped us. One boy, okay, the kami doon na motocar doon na bitamangan ni buka tayo bay ni to bataw kira. I think they died. O
Oh
chagi
no.
another van and then us. Matini mo boy. It was they drinking. His friend, that's their car, their parents' car. Yung buta ko the may. Arto mingun no ko boy ko ko tabi na motocar. Sa ngayon rin matakatala mo friend ko gimi overspeed ya. Rampa tayo to kaya maya include our car.
Ele.
It was very bad, but our car, only one
Eh.
side of it was damaged, yeah, but the other side was okay. But lucky, my staff were okay, nothing. They were symptom was
Dinasar Jun.
so we
Isa
had
min.
the rental
Hmm.
car to help us, but every day the rental car go to the hotel. Do kaya no staff, saan do kaya mayor to na porter to na hotel staff. Iba naman do ben, kito mistak naman do ben. Do Arrivederci, like to make every day. We're so used to see that van instead of the car.
Sa dinasar ke musim di roko sini now now kan rock and rock. Oh, totoh.
Very well, that's what they said. So, yeah. And when I was trying my loan to get my commercial machine,
Hmm.
and then there was a lot of requirements that wanted by the bank, yeah?
Yeah.
FBB especially, or to binakata na tax appliances, compliances, but again, the FN compliances. Make sure that my business paying all the tax and FNPF for my workers, everything. So I have the FNPF, but my tax compliances, I was in process, yeah?
Yeah.
Ochas ang vincule sa Romaniema be one of the big boss in the FERCA, Ruby Tabelin, Girsaro Koya, Rola Kosara. Ali kere sa ko keren kikito, me what kino no accountant, me what can we do meron wato tolo takin na kaya sa pamatala sa Rokoya. Sa git kun sar ko na business na ite. Sa ko na lugyan, which may Amerika. Oh, June. Oh, June. Ayaw na follow, we looked at Oh, Edina, Kakaiya all the time. When she's online with Dr. Theodoro, I always love listening to her and Dr. T. And yes, I'm very happy to help her in her business. Mm.
Wow, Rivea.
Yeah, so sangi tarong ano kaya bida na laundry sa tukad sana. Oh, ya to na laundry Roy suba duwe na. Oh, yo kaya loan ka para, where na stoya. Sangi to kuno kaya. So, say ka sinilon, all that shop is paid off. Ah, paid off. Iya, kasi ang oro ko, kano naman hindi ko loan, then talaga kinarto na story, ako it's all paid off. So she was surprised and happy that Fijian person trying to make business and help people, but didn't loan, yeah?
Iyan na sarangajun.
All paid off. And
All paid off.
yeah, she said, kila ko na million niya ya, but taro na bala ko, bit na million, ko talaga same thing. But start nga ba malu, but paid off, sinto bando na loan. So Kaka June can be very successful too one day, and I'm very happy to help her whatever way I can help her. But although Maruta na nabital na what kay Dr. T on Dr. T's Talanoa session.
Ah,
Mm-mm.
Rivea, ganyan na, yang ininindordobyo sa ibanggo, libro marok
Yes.
tumay.
Live about wrong. A lot of places I go, kung nakakadorobo ko, ako tunubiyayang ko yung nantin.
Iya.
Yeah, ko talaga ko message mo ni Bimbo Levi ko nang dorobi was saying, but niya ko talaga tubo may na struggle, eh. You know, some of my friends are doing well ako. A lot of people, I met them through Nandaro Talanoa session.
Ah,
And we
Rivea,
became friends. Australia,
Hmm.
New Zealand, Japan.
Ah, so, so
Kiribati.
empowering.
Mm-mm. And like I'm surprised there, like especially some place I go, there's some who want to take picture with me. They all love listening to our session in Talanoa. Very encouraging to most of them, yeah.
Isa, kandi na saranga.
And some of them been through the same thing that we went through. Nambulan rin rin sa Tabamay, you know. Kaya bito mi kami nakalome na banwa wala lamayaki na banwa sa na may tukin ako. And
Yes.
they said they inspired when they listening to it, and they happy that someone can share it, what we went through. So sa may bula binakabangwa, they don't want to be known, you know. Di ka bula may
Yeah.
wala mabaya. Sa nakatulong na kilito nga, kaya binakto na ng bula from the beginning to the end. But us too, we don't think that way. We want to share the story to inspire the people who's still going through that, you know.
Hindi na
And the
totoo.
people who are well off now to be humble, to don't forget where we came from, you know.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So true. So true.
Uh,
Yes. Bata pa rin taro famine arms.
and the famine arms has been stopped because kila nangon salaya, kila chokolabo, korolakin, but kirus na singaya. They have
Yeah.
to park and walk for long certain distance, but the nangon sala is not good. Yeah, so me and few other farmers close to me, we wrote to agriculture and we told them that we desperately need that road to be fixed. So a few days ago, I messaged the guy in agriculture and he started tambak on my sa rambilip technology style sa caterpillar chico. And saya sabto nga where my farm is.
Oh,
So I was so
really?
happy. You know, okay, bye. But I said, oh, I totally forgot him. But then Sunday,
Iya.
and then I said, who's this person? And
Ah,
then the Pabambulamai, just I get them back on the mind, saying message on the mind, this finally, saying get up now in the sala. So I have to go maternity of where my farm is. And then the next month, August, my son game you na getting but can a culvert on the side, may like a na wine, with the lumen of a
wow. Lede, betul na to siya.
Talanoa saya because I was wanting to build a lean-to house there for my farmer, and then I can't do it. But truck can go up there. Meron na yan tarapal, you know.
Ah.
So I just have to be patient and wait. I was at a years orin nakabang din ko one install nga kaya. I thought no, you can't. This is the only road you can go, but you just have to wait. So, no, kaya not gonna daddy. Sometimes you have to wait. You have to learn to wait, and I did. So now, thank luck, I'm very happy and grateful for that. When you
Mhm.
pursue the Italiani, what needs to be done on farming arms. Mhm.
Isa. Quando probabilmente nakabi Rusya, nanon
Yeah,
na
that's
bimukiliw. Si Badam.
yeah, doon sa last week, sa message mo pa kay darling, na magtabi ako kasama tuchi ko. Dapat mo na no, may masali dabo. Bueno, bang, okay, sure, just let me know. Kaya bato nangon sala la chico. Sa tukun ko rito na marama, orto rin ko may bangon na wanga, bato na wai ko chiko na sa mo famia, era ni tap na tabi ka, tao na wanga yang ko talabay na wanga na kor. So that day, sama ko to now. Sada ka na sala. Sa kinadala ko, man, June, that's a good news. Yeah, finally, sangi ka. So we're really excited about that. So now the car can truck can go all the way up there to my farm, right inside my farm. The new this the next one on sala ya.
Yan na sarang.
Kasada kam sa mama very happy.
Kembali
Yes.
na nung do cluster ni farmers, do
Mm-hmm.
bola-bola virtu na agriculture.
Yes, agriculture Nabua, Matorto Nabua, they look after us. We under Nabua thing, yeah? Yeah.
Hmm.
But Tinamosi, around the subsequent rondo and we need to branch Calcer Road. Sangeto
Okay.
per one of my misa. Nalubengo na farm chwe keri sa mamatala sa Roma miem. Oh yes, I know that place. Casa Roma miem. Non to one sala, lenga chico. Iko kilabang nagida na una. Ang ito ko naman ako, kunilera, it's in process, very soon, sana ka, hindi na. Sabi ko sa sarama ko, yeah, very soon. Kung naman nilabiyam, kunilera. So sure enough, after 2 weeks from there, sa message to me na turang, isa ba tambak ko naman sa anak siya naman sala.
Wow. rena o kabira marong
Mm.
tsukumenikua. Sora warak tsukumbeka nondongon sala,
Yes.
sorti chukun rendre.
Mm.
Terengan dala kau ni reunion ni takap ni bolo-bolo bina agriculture.
Yes, they have to. Here, now all the farm, wherever they are, the don't make office that look after them. Mm.
Right.
Yeah, so that man said, Junior, kung pila talaga na mo covered, isa tsura na katapila, tsura mesa katapila na ka na mo drive itali lamaya, mesa na covered. So that will be on us. We can help you with that.
Right.
Oh, sa Maro, sa Royal, same time I call my staff. Empesa, ako na nakirutuso ni lunch or to agriculture na mo.
Eh,
Sa
Saraya.
betul lah, terus marah, marah orto, marah kalau ya, I'm waiting ya.
Hmm.
So,
Hindi na saranga.
tak juga sana yang fight juga sana ya, sa tos
Iya,
ko na baki tos ko na bulan ito sa kamera ko
tandiena.
nga what we can do while we can ya.
Absolutely. Om nga mo rin ni kaya Jun o do banggit na mon libre na social media na nagudori na biba kong kiti ni Titi. Sa
Yes,
leo karangar sa Titi.
iya.
E basi kita tu nalak may tay.
Hindi na Sarah. Kento ng kalamay.
Din.
When I was in school, kito devi wala may karibuli. Kung live na wasa, kim doon ang kalamay. Kim doon na tama. Kito buto ka to. Kito ka ng kalamay. Kito may buto kim doon ang buto ka to. Kito prime minister. Kito na research. The lasa. Yang ba kita ka ng kalamay to sa may evangel. Oh, my farm, you know.
Sendiri sala, sendiri sala. Gue ya bikin ini nabarang cukup main dari kena balik tekno ko tu kunung June. So June, membela tanam do cluster. How did you guys organize the cluster of farmers?
Like now we had there's an office there that look after us now workplace area. Yeah.
Iya.
So we just write to them. Or sa laki kya ali tarbasa lagi balingon ni bol lagi kiri on a kina that and some other farmers too are close by to me. We all wrote that we need help on the road. Meron bibu kita. And then we waited, but I have friend who lives there for years. They said they've been writing through and they've been waiting through for years. So
Wene.
Sambu Kalonga Sarang, I'm very grateful that Nisata because the tower Saranga. Sala was so small and muddy and it's bad. Now sa Varam Belevtaki, there's two cars can go one time. Dolakama and Dolakayani. I sent you the picture, remember?
Oh
Mm-mm.
ya, wah cukup menunggu teman teman nunggu inbox.
Yeah, I send
Iya.
it to you. Waktu tu minatura nga yaw rito sa rangan of matani farm sa Rutikya sa Pastel
Oh.
Valelio.
Ono pa istak sarang nga bila po merit. Nakano na maraw labo ni rito na munggele.
Very well. So I'm really excited now. So I'm getting back now farm for the farmers. I can work on that now. Just having na on sal.
Iya,
So but the
sa.
next month me back na getting but kina Calvert to Conorto and there's a little bridge there. We're gonna fix all that too. So good news. So happy about that.
Nakasalangat Jun. Katal nga labo na no mo boundary na bak
Yeah.
kakwebi kung may bakambay.
Yes, never come by. That's all the plan. But now in Talaga, the main things are how people can
Iya,
get in, the truck and all. Mm.
right. Iya. Plata na katabi wala balile kay Rus na singa kung ito bitaw
Mm-mm.
tak sa rongol. Sa rongol dandolo mo lang katak na buwak ni
Yes.
kalakanan. Yung sa rongol
Mm-mm.
ang darabak talaga na buwak katamat.
Iya, bakit tama talaga rin yung buta ko na buto ko na nakakar, buto ko na talaga na fama. Oh my God, because then I sing
Para,
us a message me doon ko friend. Darling, oh, karos yung gibulit lang doon ng farm ko kay Watina to lang ni Valo. She was here to that girl. Ando siya nalbihan rin ko niya. Iya, uy ko ba, sabi na mo farm na po. Sa mama tawag sa rea ka ko, man, darling, we just bought the farm next to you. Oh, kaya sa
Reyna.
So, another farm next to me, so kita sa excited. One day we'll be all neighbors over there. So nice,
Iya,
yeah?
nasarangan.
So
Iya,
nice.
nasarangan. Kila Jun yan, doon kasamtakan na nandrendre, tas tapos tungkol ng
Mm,
na sa takan na Facebook, na bala na
mm-hmm.
buturaki, na
Sure.
kalabaki, na tapos so iya. Vada menda bantakana na Facebook sa na social media menda bitalo ta kana kabna ka bakango. Na
Ngari.
kena boli ng gele menda tite menda tarano da vale. Tutokan
Mhm.
din.
Totoo ka sir nga. And then the people that look forward to listen to our sharing, they inspired, you know.
Iya
Mhm.
nasara jo.
For a long time, I've been wanting a farm on my own because plus ang dating bago na puno yung bago, nindalisin bago, can sabili to a quiet place like that, you know?
Iya nasara.
Sa sinima kami da sabi ito nga na city. And I've been praying for it. I've been dreaming about it. Yung doon ang bunuan, yung barabi ko may Santa Cruz. Yung
Mm.
to, gitu sa ito nga darang gel, mga lalay via. The first time, I was really scared. After a little while, I was like, enjoy taksaranga. Then I really pursuing it. I was desperate saranga to have a farm. So when I go home, usali chunga bin a farm. Yeah, na po, wala ko isuma, you know?
Iya nasara nga.
And then there's a Bangkangara Sara watching on Facebook. O sari ka sarang kando na turang. Okay, baka maybe was like chico, helping people may get their farm by
Mm.
Ciao, ridi ko sa lakmin do na marama, kan maramihan ako friend. O sa bangko sa sabi ko, darling, naturang ako na Facebook, may nakapan na sila ng the farm, ng gila ka. Yeah, darling, he's very good. Kalot ka bito, turangan din na. Oh, I was excited sa nga sa sol, sa micro sa message sa yeah, nasoli family da kang ko. Siniwin da volleyball ko. Ako may libi basta kibito kiningele. Or na kwarto kinikere, aming gisuleme na farm ng gele baya.
Okay.
Okay, asa ka ko yung wala ko bi tuido do ng gele chuminda no no singa taka. Ano bulan ni maraw sinto ko na raw.
Mm.
Abare texar me vio ng gele na why to van ko. Asa already dreaming. Oh, like pretending my house will be there. Oh, I love it. Not she's so like, finally God connect me sa mama raw sa tukun sa review better to no friend. At kung sa mak, okay, go na kaya kamada ka, kung sila man na sende, o yung mo kota, tuin na kaya, may nakam na ko siyem, okay. Kauket sa nila, sa mama raw to ngayaw. Kadip sa man no friend to la ko bato. O nga to ko na kaya. Next process, ikaw wata kami biyo lima na dolo. Lima na
Ah.
iya ya sarang megi silta kikini ni sa sulmi na mungkin. Hindi na, iya. Oh, sabi sa mga babayaw sa liba ko sa lima na dolo wata kisara.
Mm.
From my Wells Fargo bank account to Westpac account in Singapore.
Mm.
Sa yata na $5 sa wawa may message tali mo o pwede mamarto mo ng gela saya lito bando nether chumingo. So, yan
Isa.
naman to na
Ese
vivo ng
tortura ka
gele.
na ng livi.
Isator ka na $5, sator na libid dali. Sa may chen na bulta king gele, ba't na vivo kini na kang gele. Turang ang loto. Yes, ito nga pa na Facebook ko. Sarili ko nga pa ng French nga. Ang message sa
Isa.
sa message mayo sa kilani sa ngwa pa na vital no yan dot ko ni chikar na kone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a hard lesson to learn. Sama so kararaman na long ni. We work hard for that money. Yeah?
Ina, singluto
So,
nga may bakapitalya na ilaw ya.
similar to my sindale di no takamai. So I was really hurt. And I couldn't believe it. Niloto eh.
Hindi na
So
sa.
that's why I'm sharing my story to other people who wants to
Yeah.
do buy like that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. We tell you to sarabada, but don't do it. And then yeah, sangi no next farm ko. Sangi kila na mo siya London ang una na
Mm.
kano rich ko, Yeah, but sino ba Chelsea sa baka lose hope o sabi ko, okay, harap naman na tatanda ni ba farm, but nakasakon men duaya, masami yung ba malu yeah. But now and then I still pursuing it. I still have the dream in me to have a farm. Sangi connect at kindo na boy na good neighbor kito neighbor mi kalambo.
Mhm.
Sangi quando volte kilopo pa sangi tukuro sa kaba ayo kere wa garage kendo mi bukiyaw o binakach ko doon ko farm ka kunilega doon boy o kilik ko ya na TLTB o ko rin buki ko hindi na ya sarang kiro sangi bitar tartin na dorbuya sangi bukiyaw ko ya sangi bang karami na famya tambaka mai sangi tukuro na kenisa o sangi sum sangi na kami na title sangi man din na sarangan ni Sam doon ko farm.
Wow, kung kalau nga televo, Jun.
Yeah, Kalunga so about 20 something thousand for 18 acres. Mhm.
Ah.
And 800, I think, is my payment for my lease for 1 year. Mhm. And imagine after that man called me with that 5,000. Yeah, I was a good person that time, was in Rambalico with a Facebook.
Eh. Baka mau pamalilay.
Yeah, but sometimes people like that need to be exposed. Baleta, kila na tamat, nila kapital window, sa kila chum tamat ya, kila ni la
Yes.
person na nakababiyaw get away with it, la kapital window tali get away with it. But ni ta rir kan sa bambu chir sa nga ni loto bunao. Tamba may loto ba whole family. Yeah. But kila ko dot ko niya, I don't judge the book by its cover.
Yes.
Mm-mm. Yeah, and a lot too. Yeah, Kamlawa Kilabaya, or you go people looking at me, judging me, but they don't know I can do better than most of them. Yeah, better kung nalilot ko kaya. Kaya nga ko, nakaluba kalungot kaya, salin talaga yung business niya. Narlablak nila chinpa na now they working for me. Sarap to ng rapul. Yeah, so sometimes can don't din on the ride, but nakalon that time on the ride. Mm.
Anti na sarangat Jun.
So, rilea quello tu ngi bindambo i baya tarana lima non tolo ngi kai stack ngi ndro ngi levo talmena no lumbale me cover up non lawaki.
Sa lungo na Jun na rin sora lakalak mo na ray eh.
Iya,
Kaya,
lek naman
makasam tako ko
tayo.
ni nabuki ko yan na lewtan na bibu kinalakwa.
Yes, that's right. Iya. But class in the master command the was so the but I was shocked how kasi both that he would do it to me and he did. You can have any lotos I give up. Oh, sandi na nga na the kuni bambo chira even though a loto. Yung saranga ya raw ni ba catch ba lawa kenda eh.
Hindi na sarangan, hindi na todo ko. Yang ko sa maruta ka na farm sa tikong ko sa lakon ko lang sala eh.
I'm
Tsaka
very
sa
happy, and I
ah,
plan to build a farm there for the farm. Mintona Viucini Becca said that me Rosarili Chuna farm, yeah, me look after the farm. And later on, I want to build a little house for me. So when I go to Fiji, I'm there, I'll let a farm, yeah. If I go to Nandi, look after my shop there, just stay in a hotel or Airbnb or Suva. Like in Suva, now I have that house there because I live furnished like in Ikua. Mhm. So
hindi
it's good. That's 1,300. There's some 3,000 and 2,000 something. I just choose that one because the reasonable price. The 1,300 there is about 650 here. And then if I happen to go, I have a place already to go.
Yes,
So
naman.
Kalabo may renovate, Tale, Borgina Commander,
Hmm.
and so much stuff I sent from here. So I had a plan, so sa approved taking a plan to renovate my 3 bedroom, 2 toilet, 2 shower. So also can all my electrical appliances, the fridge, the washing machine, the washer, dishwasher, the stove, and the microwave all match LG brands that are together in a box. Yeah.
Ikaw buli-buli kay Merit kay ikaw?
Yeah, all bought from Home Depot. Mhm.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
other than singing, other than everything. Kailangan when you go home, living here all this time, you want to be living in a house like you're still in America.
Totoo ka saranga.
Mhm. Nagu couch set ya three-piece, 100% leather mint. Overland na furniture store may Santa Cruz. Sa bando display takin sa game view sa mga mayo sa do sa bulya sa nga sa pet sa cow, all reclining. You can just press the button and go up and down and you can charge your phone while you're sitting on that couch. Mm.
Sa totoo ka sarangare ve, eh?
Yeah, feel like we live here, we dream to have nice stuff. Dalag din naman kibalang da, iran ng boom boom da, iran ng ragbalin da, the mona ko, nanto. Feel like we dream, like, oh, we all different. Some of us like that, some they don't,
Yeah.
Iya, ya santo tatanda tu vaya. Oh, ya, mindo na singa, mindo sarang no bala, minaka sarang ano couch one ko, kango. Iya, ya sarang sa amin nakadaba ko po sa boli sa harat tuya, sa barlit tu batuya.
Totoo ka sarangare. Tsaka nakambani ni kuya nakau mekot na yaya ibiti?
Yes, we have for the many years we have it here. Fusion company that they take it. Hasta tang na biutin kibalang na lubi bunin bombo mili kiwachin kibalang. They were the first one who started it.
Hmm.
So now there's few of them, yeah, yeah. So
Right.
yeah, but Turang, I forgot where Knox from. Or Knox, the one that been helped me. But kana kena korno ko yaya ni bale yaya ben de brano biutin Well, yes, I would have not done me Sacramento la Conibaya on a Louis
Uy.
Auntie Dabaya, nice couple. That's the one they took that while I was working in Santa Cruz, Colico in Kinaraya. Oh, you
Hmm.
bilang Laya, two, baka you bilang karach nimbo.
Ay, kaya balimbali na nung caregiving talaga ka, nanonrambol na bubali ay yabalati ko it's
Yes,
inspires you, eh?
you inspire how they cook, the food they make, and the food they bake, and Lorraine Valley, Kila, what kind of furnitures you inspired. And like for me, one day I'll be retired, maybe at home, and I want to be in a house to have all those kind of little beautiful things like that. Mhm.
Yun na sana nga, and you deserve it.
Yeah, we deserve it because that's what we work hard for, we dream for.
Yes.
Everybody came here different intention. Sorlak mayra mi takadaka mi sumina duro lubiandra. Sor mi takadaka mi sumina loan. So takadaka mi babi nakataki nambula. Everybody that left home to come overseas. When the may takadaka mi babi nakataki nambula. Can do a lakato ngamay. No reason, then something is wrong. Sa mi abi nakami kun nakamay.
Yes, di na sana nga.
Like I wish I didn't leave home. I'm still at home, but no. I want better life. And I remember one time the ambassador, like my DC, can give us a chingwana bin Fiji Day, yeah. It cannot yeah. Like when they come home, the once a year a vacation. They work all their life and their vacation 1 month. Ya, gila kan orang na Pilipino ko. Yun na turangan ni Dorban ni Bitin. Danda ba tuwang ko yun na rupuni-buni niyo at the beach. Oh, hi sir. How are you? Good, thank you. What you doing? Kasar, okay ba? Okay. Oh, just relaxing. Oh, you're relaxing? Yeah. You're not working? No. Why? Because I'm relaxing. Okay. You don't want a nice house? Oh, no, no, no. Why? Because I won't be relaxing. You don't want a nice car? Kila like Nambula Baya, eh?
Mm, mm.
Kaso, no, no. I'm happy with my little house and I just go to the sea, Lesiwa, Lingoli, Tete. I'm fine. I'm content. That's why I'm relaxing. Like okay, Lingoli, you work all your life and you want some money and after 2 years, it's like may vacation. Yeah.
Yes.
Sanggit kung ano, karkiwala niya, kila, two different kind of mindset. Some of us get to ng bulaya, can sabi na katungan ng bulabaya. So, some weekend no, ayaw tumbo mayaw, sing binakasara ng bulaya. Sa, wala lang masarang kami ng bulaya. I just can't afford and see myself growing old. Iba ito ngayon, nagbubula, may adawin yung sangkasi. Lisa, go to always share my story. We live in a tin house. Okay, no bedrooms. I get petition take to a room with the curtains. Sagi lako mer na biyo kani lako to mo uncle or auntie go to me ben raw but gonna be some dalo and maybe you can one there for whole year no my boy just imagine one bottle of dalo to bring that kid in na kena garabi to na whole year ya no na bond ka kid bayasa they don't worry about it they have a responsible for my parents you know and we barely have nothing. And I was growing up, I said, no, I don't want this life. Na kito kakanon dali to kito maybe in a fridge na neighbors. Kito ndo sar TV, kito yun ba ko katumba, so man na katumba. You know katumba leka, so man na katumba leka. Kila like we going through that, we see that, and I was determined that I will change that, and I don't want our life to be like that, you know. One pair of shoes, few pair of clothes. Sa nagulak na conference may LA kita with Talanoa.
Mm.
But kirna 5 ladies there. Oh, they just fell in love with me. Kito friend na the first day till the end. They just connected to me. You, there's something in you. We just, kito they was say and all of that. Also sa may nabalaloma. And I was tired of being poor.
Mm,
Sama sa
mm.
kasarapan ng kalome. May piso ta no kung bulang gito mi kyo tume na kalome na buno leleyaw sa iyo ni may kalambo. Kocho tumingo Amerika sa gimi piso to kano kung bulang. But I didn't forget those people, my friends, my neighbors. So I opened the business to help them as well, you know?
Yan ang sarap. Yan ang sarap.
Even they couldn't believe it that I'm living here in America and just had to London, maybe, and I haven't been there. Mm-mm. They said, that's insane, June. Oh my God, we can't believe it. How did you do it? Mm-mm. But it was nice. I've learned a lot. We make new friends. Kita sami friends something but kita na lawyer we keep contact. Mm-mm.
Sa June, quando agora na sindo na kain rin re, nothing is impossible.
Yeah, nothing is possible, but you have to work hard to do better and get better
Yes.
in life. You can't just dream like that and relax and hoping that all the things will come to you. You have to
Yes.
work hard. I worked so hard when I was working in Suba in the hair salon.
Mm.
7 days, well, when I started 6 days, Saturday, Sunday, those so, wasang ito kerkevero na kay Taiwan niya, mulak ng Valley Pacific Haba, muli vivo kimbim, doon na kamo nakaba to little make extra more, because when I started, I was getting only $46 a week for 6 days. $46.
Oh.
Almost sange. Lakatakat kami kaya na son kito kakana. No bus fare, but nito bills. But soli malilot, but no taxi fare on ang kasya. So $46 sa lunch mango, sa lunch noodles nga every day, Monday to Friday.
So,
Harto pasamo sinya ta to get more pace. Mucha sarto get tip parto sinanum kito talmena chugera to marang to tip kito renga parto sale boleh ken to chicken chow mein chili chicken kito sa noodle chicken in one corner.
so.
Iya, sayang tsaka napasota. Garibiro tsaka ng kasya. Sagi iba kalungan ta kinakalo bila bichimay from that time tapsaro salis. Totoo lang ano senior headdress ang balitinin do libir do matenia they don't come to work. Yeah, right after that, they can recline start like maybe house. So that's how I became successful very fast. And may tapsar na no sa bulik ito brand new car. And I was the only one who had a car that time in our neighborhood.
Yeah.
We don't have a TV, we don't have a fridge, we don't have a telephone. Through my hard work, I got all of that while my parents still alive and they can enjoy that while they can.
So,
So it's good there, but like I said, we just have to work hard. Yeah. Even now, I'm still working hard.
but I'm sure before your parents passed,
Yes, before the
they've
past, I got
seen.
all that. Even when I got the
Yes.
car, they were still
That's
there.
it.
So they get to enjoy that life. And when I can help change it for them, yeah. Mm-mm.
Sigtungul na bara nam Ducati ko ay nam rodo tumbal chumekina. Agora kay
Yes.
pas chuko na motoka. Samo sindi.
Most sarangan in the lotu batan the watch when now sa kalalay. We have family, you know. But sarang mo diba ko sa passing nga sa Abraham de man sa sini offer is drop on the mind really so bigya or drop kasi nga sarang imagine. I just don't get it. I was so young to understand it, you know. Yeah. Anyway, no kumbu, kero do be wase ba live with, o di wase chona bi koya. Ika ko ni mo si saranga na lo anang baleta, na konor to si tumbo tak chulmo ko nor to ni ba, don marama gi ba ya to ram drabua. Ngir to don rim nga bang ko pasi bat na lo ni lo ma. O ko
Yeah.
ya sando bina kat chuko ko kondo taro chulo mana na tabe sindo kel kinutina na be ba konto kana ni ba ya.
Hmm.
Yeah, iwasia chokana bi kwa kila na mosi ni alo kulo manti na kuni sini pa kondo kiro sini buonto
Yeah.
na mono wasi kino bangi tayo sarang ng puno man yan na mosi ni alo ni baka samta kali sa pala ko na yan niya sa chukula mana may kala ko lo mana na marami ana na neba but kung gisin understand tak na dabot tina na sini kelikin may babang to ki marami ana na neba no no sa wasi kino ba no Talanoa sa tanyo pa tayo to no ka bibuto ni sarang Nylon na kahit kung may nylon na yan, kaya may ito po na nga bitin na Mikel, may papanto ka na marami. Nilalato ng damdami. Mm. So that's why we share our story and taktikim so bekarawarong to era, vamos to katum,
Ah,
random basic to back maybe wherever they are, they don't, they could have offer, nilalato ng damdami. Ngayon, kung sama mo to kakin, yung sabi bimbi na gubali, tamate kede wawatungan sa ralaki su barabuan, tapos yung abang doon, meron nilalat kami ng damdami, tapos andot ko na kami. Oh, nakusalon, tsaka yung harifani kaya escalator. Naman ka pa nagilikia lang kaya. It's okay nila zombie kaya. Oh, saan doon mo? They're just happy mo na to get out from there.
boleh.
Because I just
Ngunit ngunit si Bersar na par ya.
no, siyempre na pare no. And siyempre singa and then
Pasti.
I feel good. Ni waka sa matakalis na mo na yan. Na mo na ni palolom. Rapas ito. O siya sa mga nagi tau to na wo. O siya magi langkato na pothole. Magi pasito. Maybe kaya na why. You know? Nagila balik kaya na nga. Like they don't understand it. Like what's wrong with these people? You know, they can't even help us, and they bump the pothole. They know it'll splash on us, but like I said, then we grow up. We just don't want to be when you get old. You know. Asat ko na Alberto na bale, oh, I was growing up poor sa ako, na poor sa kasaraturan, to make you live in it. Malita ka naktikyan na naman mo sa when I grow old, sabi sa rani po, maliwawang bastal to baya, malito, balito na to ni Una, you know?
Bisa.
Kasi kalalay
Karena.
in primary school, dito balik Kabango, and then we have to cross a little river. May kimila kulit ako si Corubuli, Kalambo Fijian School. Every day, like binakatakos, o siya, tapos noong batinuay la kaya ni singalib kitong listal, may ba singalib to bali listal. Isang do na udan do lubos tarang na wudiway, so we can cross. So Timay misang kitong bali about 1 hour walk back to get to school. Yeah. O siya, so natin na nga na Sargento get together like mera Putin, mesa mina taxi, mera mondo kinalubendra. Yeah. Kito na nga our parents can afford it. Kito sa tawan ito isulo na plastic, nito school bag, nito uniform. Kito sa basungay nga, mikitong kitong bali, mikitong gendra, kitong nito plastic bag. Kito yato kurugul, mikitong gilibisaw.
Bisa.
Landalak bang pandalolo man dalamani kenta like we don't understand that our parents can afford it to put in for their taxi, you know?
Gila
And
saranga.
sana gitu bala sagi pasir na niya sana really sa lakad to sana kalabakan dalamani kenta, you know? And we ask ourselves why we were so poor, like but you don't understand. You know, sa kalibu may watan kikila. Sanki sukaya na puli sanki daliliwa tu ya ni lamer matokado kaya na pothole. Lang may weekend na naman ni soso. Sana kay laki ni karubul. Sana kay bera. Sana kay didi. Sana kay libi sa umay. Sana kay narman da uniform. Lombi pinakita na suway. May suka na buli. May tandarat tali mo lagi tumbal talen bayo. Mm. And every time when that happened in my mind, I said, no, this can't continue. I have to grow up and learn how to drive and have a car one day of my life. And sure enough, that's what I
And
did.
sure enough,
Mm.
sure enough. Mata-mata nga na namulista na matena ni
Yeah.
sa moto tour mo na motoka.
Sa ginawa namin may rawe, arosin kalam na karon yung bulin rin chiko. Yarto na hairdresser kito na katakabato, or to sabi, and then rebaki. They can't believe in isali bulin rin to. So live na matoka, who can afford it? You know, the hairdresser. But sinibara
Grabe.
lelete kaya, that dream and
Oo.
determination I had when I was small was always there. Oh, bang, oh, silbi kilaw, sali bulin rin mga, oh, silbi kilangge, mure na motoka, or muli, vali sin man So, Wilin-Reba yaw si Clavando na taf. Siya, sa Wilin-Reba, sa Tor sa Minupalisini, sa mga Turanga, I got my license now, I surrender it to you. Okay? You take over from here, like you always say. We do the first step, God do the rest, you know? Mm-mm. So that was my hope and faith. After 2 weeks, I got my driving license. Ang ginawa namin ko, maraming hindi ako non salon ko, tsaka na
Hmm,
escalator sa Vita.
hmm,
She heard a lot about me that I'm a good hairdresser. Ako kere-kere magkiruli lunch. Okay. Kiruli lunch ko ng boss. Nagito ko na ko. Ito ko binakata muli daka ko. Nung bita may nung daka na salon ng chikino muli daka ko. And if I'm coming to her, ko nag kiyaw. Nakangaw binakata ko na kiyaw kina. Same time in my head. Oh, masaraan ko mataka. In my head, but you know, car was it's not $5 or
hmm.
$100, 500, it's 1,000, you know.
Oo.
And then sa kasama to sa kasa raya, okay. Sa to konsalve ko kila. O yung
Hmm,
ko, sige, rawat ang ano ko driving license 2 weeks ago. No ko nga nga, remendo no ko motoka. But I know that's crazy too much to ask. But kaya kayo sinra ni Kaya no ko motoka, ang do tatanda ta mula ko Australia. Kaya ko kaya mo nga di Australia, ya sabi na kasaro ng gila ka Wiki mo ni. Kaya ko nila ka, ayun ko, ayun ko bale, vita no kung bisinisi, ayun wala ka nga binambange, o lita ka ba nga na sulme ng motoka. You don't have to pay any deposit, just get your car and you just pay your insurance. Oh, kailangan ko yung tumay ito, wala ko ni matang, like I couldn't believe it, what I'm hearing, you know?
irasan.
And like I said, you do the first step, God do the rest. And it's so
Yeah.
impossible. Hindi lang ito kami baya, offer you to give, bless you with a car. But like I said, in the Maso Chico, the
Yes.
Binaka Chico, the Garebe to ng Kasea, you know? And then, kaya namamata ka next week, kailangan ka may sarin out, nakabigyan mo nila mo yung mata ka. And next month, on Electric Australia na Hair Expo, I'll be happy to take you with me. So I'll help you both with what you want. Yes, sarang.
Ah, oh, so both you got the car and you went to Australia.
And I went to Australia. So next week, saka ko muli kalibaran ko mataka sa Lores Armay. Sa outside mo ko mataka. I never forget that car, my first car, DJ 138.
So DJ.
And then I called my parents. I said, nah, ya kita sahabat telepon kita kami tu telepon ini tu fridge ini tu TV. Nah, rin natulog
Wow.
may resul binaka iyo. Ento no ko friend alak ko yan. Okay. Oh, kento na alkan ipikte kim romeno ko friend kento na libay ka binda na balikan ni su babat kino ko friend. O
Hmm.
siya kento na gili no ko friend nag drop te kento talayan. Oy, pati na mo friend. Magkano na gili ti friend nga ni sana ribayan. Yo ayaw nga mo na ribot kanya. Nadami
Hele.
kirondaran, rabis na mga bibinaka. Okay, asa nandarangan ko chamba, iya danang chamba na. Ota, iya tanda na tarses binaka na sa binaka.
Sa
Kento nalikana valikana ibe, kunin laka, kento nalikana nga dana panoy kya. Oh, okay. Ya, sandre besar na ya. Ota, sandra bititu babi na dono bunyi chukia dono bench ta kapti kya kwa. Kwa sandra bitu kya, onanda bitu milo, mabari tu mibago itu manakatumba.
oo.
Lucu kayak terus saya excited terus sabi ke Lazaro di na friends Andre minggu abimi ko chirao karo yo iko yo na watch ko sumato na busy na biko just na wari kimro ke no friend nga ni ko kimro mi keto ni gela okay
Eh.
Andre beni bango ya santa no tumena kasi asa ro ro re mi bango ai na ko ni makaro ki lai ro expect sa choro no ko friends ki la choro friend nga ya Andrei mamaya sakela ni mataita wala kan lutumito man matan rawan na to that may laman ni vale me vai rama it's really me or my friend or you know
Mm.
sa so mamanda bang paro sa tangi ro sa lulu bro na sa tangi kanang kasi asalak to nga naman ni mata na kila niya kaya was hard for him to accept it kung ko sabi so chumi na na domok vale mo na domok na ki ako tangi rosa virkilam da orang na una da bali bulin rib tukina na moto kani di san rib tek tumingo. We were crying and there were so many questions. They just can't wait to ask me, when did I learn how to drive and where whose car is this and everything. I was like, it's gonna be wrong. I was learning how to drive secret for them not to know and I was dreaming of buying a car and that's how that's our car. So, nung masakasar ngayon. Oh, satang itu orang tanging Rosinwambo that they couldn't believe it. Mm-mm. Sabi ko, okay, ito sabon, ito sari, ito sa Rendre, ito baya, no sorry, lakabaya no bridge, no sorry, Rendre, babaya, lere, naman yung Cornibulya, sila Central High School. Tahu ni no sorry, quando tumbal takto yaw up and down, yung tao nila, eh, kirtan ko. Paano lumalyas ng Olivala Lomea to balik tinatawag niya sa kambas mo nakababa siya doon pangasas kaya mo shoemaker. I can't repair the shoes anymore. You need a new shoes. Sila brought back a lot of memories. Yeah? Ito sa ngayon ravisu bambing palace kito sa gilibaya kay Vicky with another friend na si Stali Lai mo na talaga may. At tayong ito nga ron nabasa ko alak to na matan raw like they couldn't believe it. You know? Mm-mm. And yeah, like so much story to share. Me andava no pela com America, tava no visa, sangue será tudo bondo, sangue. Was that I 1 week to lose my pass, my visa, sangue. So much then no marami kino ko bondo, muli pikta ka na travel agent. Mm. Nakalo na plan eh, you know. Sa apply tayo man na visa, I was so praying so hard, meron na visa. Sa rami na visa, sangue misera to bondo.
Ando,
Oh
ando.
my
Talaga
God.
ni yung mga kailangan orin eh. Cindra kay tao eh.
Tao,
Kay
and it's
tao.
a big amount of money. Lasing sila na di man kiri na rason ng mundo. You know, like
Holy.
it's so much money, and then sa people struggle. Who will help? You know, no wala sinilip sa ratoy balangis, berliw na. Yeah, but nakalondo iba kurumboy taki towards the end. I was accepting it. Then minsan sinaro ba that I won't make it here. Ngayon doon ako friend, ako ay ando na kami na she work for Mastercard na mine. She's in Seattle. And then every time dala ko kami na kanuluan ako do dream nga kala sad abando ni spiral. That Saturday, wala kayo nag spiral na uluna. Sagi ka mo no kaya, yeah, darling, why you spiral? You sa abando do spiral na uluna, why? Doon na occasion, kako, no, darling. Yeah, tama nga, kako, I'm flying to America tonight. Huh? Flying? Yes, I'm going to America. For how long? Kako, for good. Really, sa loloma, bago di ko chikoy nanti. Kako, no, bodo yung mo sukay kita ko chikoy no lungo. Wala ko nito wale. Muli nubaya sa pekto, ba't kinto na microwave. Muli lakotel may na viti minibus. Muli bonta na kinandi. Oh, may kayo na microwave. Na microwave, may libis sa wit kinuko cousin. Nuko cousin na 8 years. Sirundo ko niya sa na bayan do ko mai. So, it's come on a camera. May not a microwave, may still maybe on a camera.
Alam ko lang part ng system.
Yeah, party
Hmm.
system. Original. Yeah, that weekend, no friend ko me sub. Kathy,
Hmm.
Kathy Nelitica. Kathy, if you're listening, hi darling. Ko kili
Hmm.
tera boka. Oro giring tondo entertain a Fijian hotel resort may sinatoka. So sa na weekend, ito la kami na Saturday, suka na job san reba kati Fijian. Ito le weekend, Sunday afternoon, kiro gen reba lestal may se Monday morning. So that weekend, sarang mo lakot kinay Fijian hotel. Hotel sa ta ka lucu ka baka ko tanay lo kung nano ko friend ko baka lolo manila ka to do kan kan do la ka banda mi tala tala you know that
Ay.
no salo salo ba mo din sa lak may bandu eh
Hmm.
ako sa nga lo na lo mag mo buken no ko Australia, I was English said when go friend Kathy, darling was so I can make it, but we'll do it next time. Kaka, what happened? I was a mama that said we come in, don't go climb go call up America. On you many coil, I must only drop the coil, mongi lock tell me more than mongi lock me next day. Saka said, listen, Tato, no darling, that's nice of you, sure.
Hmm.
So which one other can you look? Oh, yeah, the tell French come in, Nandy, she's here too, Susan. Susan Fall. Hi, Susan, if you're listening. Hello. Sabi ko, my dear, o yun, nalakcho ka ni Nandi, no ko French is flying tonight. So, ker-ker chuki mo kakiron la ko yan, may kiroli freshen up. Kiroli Sicilio, ko bisaw, kiro bisaw, o kiroli Dina, o chale drop te ko, buko ko, mula kayan, mula mo, yung gilak talma na next day standing. Don't worry, you come. Let's
Hmm.
tell you when you come to Nandi, you have a place here. So, sa blanket sa Royal Yap, o sa tukul sa big girl. Lewa, sa tako chua no lumo, lakan daw bale. Pektak na miyaya, from here nga, on reba no le pikta kiko, on giko chugay nandi. Oh, kasat lulubo, baka simbambo to ko. You know, she couldn't believe it. Someone just offered like that, yeah?
Yun na.
At siya sa maraw ko, kero sa halak ko sa harapik, sa halak ko. Kero le sisil sa harapin ko friend, kero le dina. O siya
Hmm.
sa le drop take ko sa na airport, sa halak sa rokwe, sa listal mo yaw.
Hmm.
And because we kept in touch, yeah, the email.
Hmm. Sa.
Yes, and yeah, mi ko sa gitarin ko no tinano di ko chumi nani sa git ko no please ano ko friend da yes sa sana no mi saro tinana anti Alice. My one two Ivana na brothers.
Hmm.
She was the only girl that was there. Kung after 2 years, kung sa struggle chicken look on the bond, the most ala ko
Hmm.
man. O sa gina no mi girl mango.
Baka na naman ang microwave.
Kaya baka na no ma no kulolo ma bi ko ya no ko ki ko maybe na ka biri may na lolo me
Hmm.
mi butiyaw
Sinasa.
no no sa desperate chicken ng go no ko bondo you know like her face was shown to me imagine every day with 3 months if 3 months you don't fly out you lose your visa then
Hmm.
na ka ni visa. But man, I was so worried. Every day I was a master na long. I want to come here, but at the January, matikin on now. And then I have to pay off my loan with housing authority for that in so much. And I said, I need to go. Kasi I lose this property. Kailangan may bichili na kakatusin sa mina loan
Hmm.
pa ya.
Gor. Ano.
O sanggilak may Pintel, wala na phone card o giri.
Yes, sa phone card.
Iya, Fintel. No Facebook, no Messenger, ako na daring kila free, eh?
Yun na.
Oh, sa start me, my sister, how are you? If you
Hmm.
know the email siya, good darling, kasi shock mo tayo ng giriyan, eh. Asa giba madalta ko ba na situation. Sa rato ko ano ko visa, sa serat ko ko bondo. Kaya ni kilarin, doon na bibut kaya may from that end, sa buong nga biyo 1 week. Kaya sa lose na 1 week, o sa sinubukan nga yan, sa that's the end. O sa lose my visa, I can come. Okay, don't worry. Asinggelis may nisilandi. I'm not working now, but I will ask my mom. Okay, darling, thank you. Dami naman nambas sa sana ko namin salon. After 2 days, I think that was Wednesday when I called her. And Friday night, busy kito na salon. Kaya sa 8 na viwa na tinia kito sa takang nakakaulo. Imagine, 10 p.m. Kisa laka na takaul sa tanggir na telefoni. Ator saran daro assistant sa tukun sarangan mo on the phone. Ari ni masih June. Asa about to run. But then get to me at 10 o'clock. Seven alone. That's a lot. Who was calling? Yeah, like I
Iya.
was like, oh, did the customer know that we're still open?
Ay,
Tawag ko sa hello. Tawag ko sa June. Pero yes. Ano man doon customer? Bulan ko lewa ko, Auntie Alice may Seattle. Oh, ang giro nga naman Auntie Alice may Seattle. Sa kilasa nga. Like I was already in tears. That time, like, ang kailangan ko sa so, misarakan ko maso. Ayun, dak sa lalaksaran ko yung Mary. Kami na nagiri sala ko tumingin ko. Sa kirawitan na kay Maggie, ito ko na kaya ni kumaningan rep, ko naman ni Tikite. Nung Tikite sa ready itong gorin doon na travel agent gorin, go. Or tunta lima ta, kalaki kaya lipik ta ka nung Tikite sa wara ko, chiko. Sa tangi sa remer na client pa tapos nung sa tangi man do hairdress. Okay, Vande Taksargay alone with that I'm flying. But imagine all that months I've been waiting. Like I come to a stage of I accept Taka. Nisa I can't make it. How's na sinila kung di merit sa second ko bond. Nagiba ka sa matakalis na loloma. Obiso taka na ko trip to go to Fijian Hotel. Move ka na ko na yan, ko friend niya. Mo coach ko may. That little good thing I did, it came around just when I needed it. You know? Mm-mm. Ako sarangaya sange marraw yaw sale sa ibale siya ni mo di that nice handa tunga warak tunga mo sa di then even a travel agent ya ila ko morto sandur ti kato sa bertumento ala sa kama ni mi warak kan butikit sa karo oh, yes we have your ticket your auntie paid from Seattle and we have it here ready for you. Oh, so happy Dr. T like asang kibaklasan nga that I'm really going, you know? So semen ko punta from no sorry airport connect to Nandi airport to Seattle, Washington. Mm-hmm. O siya, ako sangi, nung kumposto ko sin kilachi ko, bato ako kiriko, may wala nung kulibilet, yung nga di may ke, kung ako nung kumposto ko, buki, binong kumatoka, kinukula ko Australia.
right.
Yeah, after working for her 5 years, o sa bang wabi ko, dali ngayon, balak ko Amerika ko June, o sa nasinrasa ko na nung libilet, o best tak sara, malak ko Amerika, yung kanala ko Amerika, nasinlis talmi ke, okay, like Australia, listen, I know, my daughter live in Australia, in America, yung kanala ko kaya na, so sara nga na yun, mo bang, Sarah, ayun, natutuloy list talmay, mali na ka mga nandun, kako June, no, sorry, dali ko nasinlis wala nung libilet, I don't want you to go. Okay. Yeah. But kailangan, that's why I want to share my story na kalono na tuba that people that be
Insan.
connected to help me, you know? At saka yan, doon maramo, Auntie Grace, o kana si Jomo Zaki, ko na bin Tropic Towers, a big manager there, boss. Ako nung bulewa, ako talagang dalak may kinari ko. O sama mo lahat ko na situation. Sa sinda ni Salio Kago na live sa tao, sa sindan mo
Totoo.
leta. Kunileta, laki kerli makarando asista, tukuno ba sila mo na business card. Ako gina kama na lip na letterhead, ako gina tepita ka ng leta, yuko na baka mo sa anak na hairdress na ya, o siya, o hotelis talay bola, o sa te patakatunyo ko ng boss o ko na sista ko na migilay sa inyo may makapasa ng boss. Oh my God. Hagil ako. Orto na bita din niya, orto na wala sa gula na orto sa orto Auntie Ella, Sabella, and Auntie Mafia, orto ba travel agent, orto kiyaw. Nada ko nung application. Kailangan pa ng bank account. Maybe yung lamili mo na dolo. Yeah, the cover orto ya. Whatever the requirements, they did it for me. Siya sangi nadapat kung ya orang tak tadi
Kung ano
san
mo sasangam masalah ko Amerika.
yang garing mana
Mm.
siya sa lodge sa arawa ya sa arami na bondo ya ang boss sa singkilacho ko ang boss ay ano siya ng story
Opinion po sa sing
boss I don't want me
Visualize
to go
kaya
ya singkilacho ka sa anak ko na visa anak ko na visa kasi ako na bondo ya c'è sarà bonto. Sa ora taksarno ko boke, mate nyo na ang bulu chukoy 9 miles eh. Mate kito na takwa sa 9 miles, gili bonto nyo sur, magila ko. Sa ora taksaro, sa ko na berto ya. Nantono ko frena, gili pikta kayo na sinikao. Okay. O so masara. Wale. O sabi ko chuka nga ba, o sa alamin nila mo sinikaw na, laman ni salon na sinikaw ko na takatuya.
Asa kayo kilay eh?
Ya, sinanap ko ni Kirley. Matapos natarong. Sini ka nili ko, sini ko nili ka. Kailangan mo para raw, sinto ko na raw. Because that day, I was flying out on job nga normal, baka nga, I'm not going anywhere. Ni punta ka tsaka ko tsaka bara ba presa dalo ko ande ko dur tsaka bula. That's why yo mo suka ba total ni ko mo lebisi ko bi ko. Okay, sa laksara mori hagi mori behind laban ni massage, laban ni waxing. At kirto na staba mo de berto. Bye bye. I come back 3 months. Thank you for making the chocolate. Ang boss relax kayo na hagi sa relax kayo mo sa mo. Yung girl, may sabu ka may that night. Ako sa nga sa komunisin kao, no ko freno tau fascist hetu, bat ke salote. Sa bali ngo ko, o chino kapenta ko, da kapan ko renovation. Kita salah ko man, tapek me sali pa mo di mi vita, pa mo di ba ko mata, 3 months I'll be back. Okay, lo back. Salah ko may Kelly 9 miles bina, may view na rin, ba mi na kabuha, everything. O sawa na, o salah ko chunga siya, malita ka na may mistom na loan, kaya kinum sa mati.
Ah,
And
hmm.
then that was it. Harta lang kami ng friend kita bital-tala sa may wanda na Fiji Airways. Awari kyo sa Armena, Dio Susan ko ng friend niya ako kiro lipali yung kina. Awara kyo kaya sa early time ng fly ni runaway kyo na maya pin kong boss. Ako kyo sarap kaya na first class lounge ni New Zealand. Wala silbi call your friend. Vamos de whoever friend you have. Ira ever no friend. Vamos de. O sagi mara karena friend kar kelano gua struggle chicken ko mangkarang no banda bondo eh. Anche mi verito no friend ni Seattle magi or sa look for to wait for me. Kinda na lang nga sa girenor to na friend i kami no friend no Susan. Hey, doon mo friend ko mo Rio Judy. Orto ko na friend sa rawa to marami ba mo di ko. Meron na sistema yun na sa lain to marami ba mo. Gitu check out talmai hug everybody ba mo de sanggila ko may sanggili check-in mo sabu ka man sabu ka sa mga girls sa out of Fiji was at 26 years or to girl yan May 18, 2000 next morning Friday the 19th ko laki na COVID John State
Oh,
yeah.
wow. Kaya naman tayo eh?
Timing, everything. But before that, nuko se hairdress juga kya. Every time after nuko first trip in Australia, ang gilita ka uli kya. Salis mo nuko boso, I stayed back 2 weeks. So every few months, ang ito bukilis tal chuka Australia, lita ka ulo. But before that, ando tambak chuka na newspaper na Fiji Times, kasi berki na Facebook na kabaya. To all my clients, if you need your hair done, you can come now or come when I return via Yorsando Kilachiko. Yeah, kona trip ko lang mingo. Amerika sa asin pala na Fiji Times sa asin tukoy matido sa anro tsaka na may kunikilaw boss. Ano nga no sakel may kiniki sa magortong ba darling naku what happened what? Naku hindi na. Yes, ang sabi ng buta ka nga na talo bebo naku bago sa kalungan sa rangoy ko niya sa Bukarawa giyado na kango.
Andin, kasi nga taman tao eh?
Oh, tale sa through mo tanga pondo pondo sa daw ta tuna tawon pala may gitaw tale
Ah,
Angin girch ko meron na client may biyak ta kapoy masakit ko korto isa ko sala ko Amerika. Ako andon bitamin na newspaper ninto lako. Wang Hawaii ko sinibit kinango. Kala ka na ko natapa. Kala ka na Thursday night. Thursday night. Oro ba
hmm,
kina John Speed. Kinabala ko kilach ko na ko.
hmm.
Sara assume.
Sendiri sarang ko sarang matam tanga ko sarang review ko tuh eh?
Yeah, they always message. They said that I was one of their best hairdressers till today. They still miss me, and they always enjoy the time they come and have their hair done with me. From the Talanoa story, baya. Mm-mm.
So,
But like I said, nakalo nangulisala tumikio brought me here, brought me there, take me here, take me there.
yeah,
And
yeah.
then always nice to people, help people when you can, and it comes around just when you need it. Those same people around will come around and help you.
Ade, la kimbala mulisto no, kaya kung nalis mo ngoy bit no taman lalali bernawara kik tuinan.
Ele, darling, ayun da ko niya ko friend ng Mrs. Malo ko lakot. At tama sa itong goyaw na wano na klase, background to pa na Fiji Airways. O sa catch ko nung ganyan sa ako kay Vichy. Oh, hindi na raw na comment. Sa excited. Oh, comment. You're may Beach, Australia. Oh, I'm so happy, excited. Sinikala to we drop tag. So after 1 week, Sange responded, I'm back. Only my spirit flew, my body didn't go. Okay, laughed. And I got friend, that was like a blessing. Even on Sunday, wala ka na airport, are you going? I'm like, yes. Everybody asking, are you going? I say, yes, to my hand. Si claro, to le bicho ka na luggage ko, advertise na kicho kami dekota.
Sa.
I'm so excited. Only God knows that day,
Mm-mm.
you
I'm
know.
so excited to have that dream, to work for you.
But,
To my delightful laundry, to my nut farm. And
yes.
I'm sure when you go back, na liwsar na ka na have.
Iya, baru sarang and kila orang cuma ni talano tak teti baki ko na dorobo ya ko beta ka na hotel in the village, remember?
Right, gor, terbunira.
Pero
Iya.
yes, I was so
Uh-uh.
inspired, and he
Yes.
said the first grant he got was 10,000, eh?
Yes, 10,000.
And the second grant was 30,000.
Yes.
Yeah, so you worry the chico, or you tell me I can get the grant for as my business grows. So I'm under
Yeah.
to finish it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Kasarangan gor.
So I'm excited, and like I said, we listen to your interview, all different clients and different story.
Yes. Kandiyan na.
It's so nice that we can learn from it. I was so inspired listening to that boy's story. Kailangan sa atin, na stage sa ko taman. That's not
Mm-mm.
good. Don't do that. Hata kang chungan with job, remember? Yeah. So no one have our own family that will discourage us, yeah?
Hindi na sarangan. Dito ko sa tosar sa ano na platform sa ano na bulangi.
That's
Iya.
it. I'm so excited.
www.bulangi.com. Mm-mm.
Yeah. Yeah, when we start alone, there's a lot of negative like that, but doesn't stop me. Now
Sa
that me. That's why we
correct.
have to share our story. We don't realize how we inspired other people, eh?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Kandiyan to Sir June. Wow, mga every person that come on the program, there's
Yes,
always something you learn,
yes, always something. And that's why we give our time to share this story. We're
Kandiyan
not
na.
getting paid, and we
Yan na.
a lot
And
of people they know our personal life, our personal story,
yes.
but we're sharing to inspire. That's what we do.
Yeah.
You know?
And also you notice the benefit will come in its own way. It may not be financial, but it
Yeah.
comes through other means.
You come to number Olivia Ifaka. I remember her. I'm one of the follower, and I'll be so happy to help.
Wow,
Hello,
Turena.
auntie. Need to know can you can follow a big boss. Imagine. First
Wow.
come.
Tuh ya. Eva?
Yeah, like I said, we don't get paid, but it comes around that way.
Yes. Got it.
Not everybody want to help.
Eh,
Most everybody,
nah.
yeah.
Iya.
It was so nice. A lot of places I go, a lot of help. I'm not gonna wanna be one of the followers that love listening to our story.
Yes, man. Thank you so much, June. Babi ni pinakamali mo may ko sabi na nakalonggo rin may California.
Now it's Kendor somebody over our time. So
Yeah.
it's 100. It's 11:15. Kendor start back na 9, quarter
Iya.
past 9
Ito ko
sa
sa
2
ngonan ni
hours.
nandaron ngonin ni mo beauty sleep.
Yes, yeah, binakuha niyo day off juga, so I'm good. Ano, start sa kami ni Matako.
Oi, okey okey. Isa, pero babili pinagsarapalemu June ano mo ngauna,
Isa,
veugo sa maraw niyo nagawirwir na matakalelew salak menggo banggo no, sarto
uh,
bisulitin dito lala, ay sa out kunibirto, I have a very important appointment to go to, go na no mo Talanoa.
Wala ko na sa Wawa juga bang, "Ay, someone needs she this, it. Dr. Till, I never heard from her, so she must be busy." I said, okay, maybe next another time back. I was like, sa juga kaya eh.
Iya,
Like I said, maybe another time. I understand you're busy, but when you click sa message when you call, I'm like, okay, kira ba ka send back ni Rose story today?
kasar kagor, isa.
So,
Man,
but
Sandel,
thank
pinakabalib
you.
sa June, all the very best.
Yes, thank you. Targeted taru-taru chicken next month or so. Yeah,
Dono Vinaka. And all the best no mulistale. O
thank
ni
you.
Vinaka. And then when you
Mhm.
come back from your leave, and then just let me know.
Sure, will do. Thank you
Okay.
to all the viewers listening and watching. Mm-mm.
Absolutely. Kung libre pa bini Vinaka ti kumay. Bikim ni kada na marama na turanga. Laro nang onelew ni warong chukumi bikiro ke June. Kero sa lolong sartuin bali bikim ni.
Pinaka. Thank
Naka,
you.
nakabalevo.
Bye.
Iya, naka June. Mm-mm. Sabi kami ni navarro ko kumai papi di pinakabidyo na non na may talano to be kaya na sig bilang ni ko kaya sa chuka ni siya niya politik na nunggu camera yo marotak nga ni rongo binakanan do mo jun may daw nang una katarawa na kami ni ko na siya machumikino maram minister nga may honorable Linda Tambuya karon na bitang lo ti kumambaleta na songo ni Solibu kay kantama ni kasi mamay. And Dio nakaloka ng bong ni ko ng may biti, biti nakaloka ng may serne. Sa lolang mo tiyan ibig kami ni nakabali mo June biba kaya lang kataki. Lolang vir ka na biwa kan mi sayoni na puno susuki kino June. Bakatan nga kinabir na biwa kan mi wakan sila. And na puno susuki no marama minista Honorable Linda Tambuya. Nakabali mo ni mo